Hi everyone, I'm in Guanajuato, Mexico, on my rooftop terrace, and from here I saw a statue on the other side of the city. Let's see if I can fly with my drone all the way across the city to the statue. So that's my mission for today, and let's hope that I don't lose my drone. Maybe we can get a nice close-up shot of the statue. Yes, that looks awesome. 1 kilometer away and I don't have any problems with the reception. Let's fly back before the battery dies. So I would call this mission a huge success, and see you next time.